It's another day and another freaking video on my channel.
Yeah.
So I came across to this YouTube channel, MAKwana. So it's hilarious. But by the way, they have idiot test. I mean 80% fail. So let's see if I can I can pass this idiot test on MAKwana YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start. So let's have a fun with this idiot test. Okay, goal is to answer the last question correct. Okay, no problem. Let's get it on. Get set, go. So question number 1. Come on. There are 50 bricks in a flying plane. If John threw one brick down, how many bricks remain in that plane? 49, of course. 50 minus 1. My kid can answer this, okay? So easy. Yeah, 49. Yeah, I'm sharp-minded, okay? Question number 2. How do you put a giraffe into a fridge? Wait. A giraffe into a fridge? Are you kidding me? Yeah, anyway, it's an idiot question, so I'm gonna answer this in an idiot way, okay? So, I mean, giraffe can't fit into a fridge, okay? Unless if it's a stuffed toy giraffe. Yeah. So, basically, you cannot, okay? You cannot. I mean, my answer is you cannot put a giraffe into a fridge. You're freaking. Anyways, we're going to check the answer. Anyway, we're gonna check the answer. Hurry. Wait. Open the door. Put the giraffe in and close the door. It's that it? It's that simple? What? Okay. So let's continue, guys. My golly. Question number 3. How do you put... I think I know the answer. How do you put an elephant into that fridge? Oh my god, this is just like the giraffe thing, okay? So, how do you put an elephant? So, you have to open the door, put the elephant in, and then close the door of the fridge. Okay, that's the answer. So, let's check if it's the right answer, okay? So, I think it is the right answer. Just like the anyway, okay. Open the door, take out the giraffe. Oh my god. My god. Okay, you have to take out the giraffe and then put the elephant in and close the door because you cannot put giraffe and elephant in one fridge. Okay, so you have to take it out. What an idiot answer. So let's move on. Question number 4. My god. All the animals of forest came to the birthday party of King Lion, but one animal didn't came. Who? Okay, I have no idea. King Lion, is it a movie? So I really don't know. And who's the animal didn't came? So I don't even know. Oh my god. So let's answer this, okay, in an idiot way again. So maybe the zebra or the monkey or whatever, the camel, because camel are different place, right? It's from the desert and there's no lion in the desert. Okay, so yeah, I think camel. So let's check the answer, okay? Reggae. So the answer is elephant because he was in the fridge. What a freaking idiot answer. Yeah, I remember. This is connected to the question 2 and 3, I think. So let's move on. Okay, so let's move on. Question number 5. Okay. An old woman wants to cross the river. She has only a stick. Okay? And then there are 3 crocodiles lives in that river. So how does she be able to cross the river without being killed? Okay. Yes, a stick. Maybe like a stick from Harry Potter. Can turn the crocodile into a rabbit, perhaps. Yeah. Okay, so there are 3 crocodiles lives in that river. Okay, so how can she cross the river without being killed? Maybe if there's a river, there's a bridge, right? So maybe he passed on the bridge instead on the river. So that's my answer. That's why she never get killed by these crocodiles, because he passed on the bridge, not on the river. So that's my final answer. So let's check. Yes, the answer, please. She simply crossed the river because those 3 crocodiles gone into the lion's. What? My God. It's still connected to those previous questions. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Let's move on. Okay. That's an idiot answer. Question number 6. Okay, 6. Question number 6. That old woman successfully crosses the river. Still, she died. How? Okay, she died. The old woman died. Even she crossed the river safely. So maybe she was ill on that time, or maybe she has a heart attack, or something like that. Because she's very old, right? So yeah, that's my final answer. She didn't drown because she successfully crosses the river. So let's check it out. So reggae music. So what's the answer? The brick thrown by John. Oh my God, the brick thrown by John. It fell on her head and she died. This is also connected to question number 1. Oh my God.
A few moments later.
Okay. I'm done. I only got 1 answer correct. So I'm included to the 80% fail. A connection in all question. Yeah, it's a logic. So yeah, that's too bad. Anyways guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, you can click the notification bell icon so that to notify you if I have a new upload on my channel. So yeah, so at least I enjoy this. And yeah, see you soon. Okay, so bye for now and thank you for watching this video. Bye.